Yo, what's up? This is Retro the Trooper. So today we're gonna be talking about the second part of the Haunted Vending Machine. Since the last video did really well, it got somewhat about 43 likes. So this is gonna be the second part of the Haunted Vending Machine. And I have to do a lot of research, so here we go. So the Haunted Vending Machine takes place in the town of Seattle. So yeah, that's mostly it. And actually, never mind. There's actually a story to tell. Once upon a time, like a half a decade ago, Capitol Hill used to be weird. Like a woman in a jester costume, skipping through the neighborhood on the regular. A short-lived death of an hunt boutique called the Never Till Casket Company, and on a stretch of sidewalk on John Street, the Mystery Coke Machine. Here we go, guys. This is what I was talking about. This is the second part. The retro dispenser appearing sometime in the late 90s, according to Seattle Times. The soda logos betrayed its age with an old Coke-ish with the retro Pepsi circle. But eventually, all 6 sections buttons were replaced with the words mystery, and for 75 cents, later $1, still cheap, passerbys got a surprise soda, usually something odd or discontinued like Ceramist. Though the power for the sidewalk machine was supplied by Broadway locksmith, the workers there claimed to have no knowledge of its true owner or who was restocking it, like exotic pets, birds, and secret underground dance clubs. It's just another quirk in the Seattle's most electric-centric city. Alright. The block of John Street, it's called home, underwent a flurry of upheaval in the 2010s as the building came down and Capitol Hill Light Rail Station grew in its place. And the Mystery Machine did survive the stigmatization of its view, staying in operation through 2018. But then Jason bus stop underwent street work and sidewalk repaving. The machine vanished without much of a trace. There was a Facebook page for the missing machine, posting first in June 8, 2018 that it was going for a walk, now boasting 34,000 followers. The account has posted fun doctor photos of graffitied machine on a Washington State ferry. In the bare closure of Woodland Park Zoo at 𝖱𝖤𝖮𝖳𝖱, the Seattle Times even had to point out that the pic under the Space Needle was a hoax. Capitol Hill, Seattle covers an investigation into the possible time travel as if the machine were a secret TARDIS. The latest Facebook post in 2022 has the caption, "Doctor said he can probably fix me, but yet old soda dispense looks pretty beats." At Broadway, locksmiths exterior boasts several signs of noting their security cameras and at least different notices discouraging the leaving of dog poop on the property. A worker named Mickey says he hasn't heard of the soda machine since its disappearance. The block of John Street is on the verge of changing again, with a revised signal from SDOT meant to organize one of the busiest intersections on the hill. Though the stomping grounds are busier than ever, there is technically still enough physical space on the sidewalk for the old machine, but But is Capitol Hill still weird enough for a persistent enigma? That isn't incorporated sponsored. Sponsored by NordVPN. I'm joking. Something grounded in nothing but whimsy and total disregard for the soda tax. That like the final resting spot for the mystery soda machine and ultimately unknown. So yeah, that was the story of the haunted vending machine. I don't know if I ever make a third part for this, but that was by the article I got from was Allison Williams of 2023 of August 28th on 𝖱𝖤𝖳𝖱𝖮.com. But yeah, guys, that was the haunted vending machine. I really enjoyed how good this video really went, and I want to wish you guys a great day, and to all of my stormtroopers out there, and everybody who's in the Empire of Star Wars. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and have a great day, and see ya. People are wondering what are my thoughts on this article. I thought it was an interesting. I can tell. I thought it was an interesting read of what's going on with the haunted vending machine. I know for sure we're probably gonna find more articles later down the line of this weird mystery of the vending machine. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, like what I said like a few minutes ago. And yeah, see you later. Bye. I'm not editing this video without, in conclusion, don't buy soda from a vending machine. Bye.